Ay! It's so hard.
Sige. Pag mali, hindi yan siya.
Ini ate, ang galing. Did not expect Zamboanga to have all of this there. Let's go, Kimberly. Let's go. Ragab, let's go. Let's go, bro. You lost your voice. What happened to your voice? Kumusta guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Day 2 dito sa Zamboanga Travel Series. Ready? Ready, Danica over here. Si Miguel Cruzado the third driving. Ano wala yung voice niya. Wow. Party too hard kasi last night eh. And then we got our guide. Anong pangalan mo, Kuya Guide?
Ba't ako Kogan Lakwatsero?
Ate Ari pala. Ate Ari. What's the game plan today, Danica?
First, lunch at 2 p.m.
Pero where's the lunch?
Turkish grill.
Popular spot dito sa Zamboanga.
Yeah. And then, we're gonna do our city tour already.
City tour, yeah, so that's the plan. Let's see what the day has in store. Sige, tara, tara. Uy, careful, Mix, careful. Hala, hala, hala.
Hoy!
Few moments later.
You're hungry, Mix?
Yes,
Wow.
like the Hunger Games.
Oh! Turkish girl. Pretty cool in here, actually. How are you sitting like that? So, what's the main dialect dito sa Zamboanga?
Chabacano.
Chabacano? What is
Yes.
Chabacano ba?
Oh my God.
Yes, Chabacano is a broken Spanish.
Broken Spanish.
So, may pinaghalong-halos nilang man. Bakit kita Tagalog?
Nosebleed. Grabe, nosebleed. Ay.
The Chabacano ng Cavite and Chabacano dito, may difference siya. Ang makatulad talagang Chabacano is from Basilan.
Kaza Chabacano, di ba, Mix?
Yes, vamos.
Ay. This is the best tourist guide daw dito sa Zamboanga. No? Best tourist guide.
With 1 million subscribers, right?
Wow, with 1 million subscribers. Wow.
Followers lang naman
Yeah.
sa TikTok.
Put your tag dito. Shout out your tag dito.
Yes, Kogan Lakwatsero po, baka naman.
Okay. The best
Kasi
guide.
ang may-ari ng vlog nito, ang sarap.
You need to stop smoking, oy.
No, it's not about smoking, bro.
Nawala yung voice ni Gab kasi when we went out kahapon, he was yelling so much, Grab. As a party animal si Gab.
No, people know.
Ano daw yan, Ate Ari?
Beef Borek.
That one, si Kimberly has that.
Ang
Taste test.
Finish to the buttermilk.
Good. Kind of like empanada then. Oh, ano yan?
Ganyan siya pa, bonus chicken kanya.
and the rice is Java rice.
Biryani rice po.
Biryani.
Right.
Napakakit ng biryani.
Musta te? How are you? Our taste test. Cheers, cheers. Chicken's not too dry. Spices are really good. Very good. Maybe like 8 or 9 out of 10. Masarap. Wow, look at
Because
that.
I'm really hungry.
She closed her eyes. That's how speechless. Si Kimberly always speechless naman, so. Ate Ari, sarap?
Ang sarap, lalo na yung may-ari.
Ay, grabe!
Good.
Yeah. Uy! Halang.
City tour, guys.
Alright,
Let's go.
Tara. Alright, ate, guys, saan na tayo?
Ito yung Yakan village dito sa Zamboanga City. So, na-establish na siya 1975.
Look at the designs. Mga designs nila. It's like a souvenir stop here, no? Wow, look at this. Hello.
Hello.
Pwede ba tayo?
Lapa, how are
Pwede ba siya
you?
mag-request ma'am kung paano magbanyan? Oh?
Kasi nagbawal mo man ngayon sa amin.
Bawal mo ito.
Wow.
Sila yung mga weavers dito.
The weavers.
Pero, as of now, bawal pa kasi.
Ano natapos ng Ramadan.
Ramadan pa. After Ramadan, pwede na
Mga
sila
Tuesday,
gumawa.
pwede na.
Tuesday, mag-weave. Pwede mag-weave ulit.
Pwede po.
Ito yung mga finished product.
Wow.
So, bawat design nito, may kwento.
Ay, really?
Yes.
Handmade talaga lahat.
Yes,
no?
handmade talaga yan.
Handmade.
Ayun, yung itsura niya.
Yeah, look at that. Grabe. Makes you said sa Zamboanga like 50% is Muslims, right?
Dito sa Zamboanga City, ano siya, diverse na. May
Diverse
mga
na.
Muslim, Saya, pero majority dito mga Chabakan, mga Christians.
Chabacano. Ah,
Kasi ang Zamboanga kasi entrance and exit ng Basilan, ng Sulu, ng Tawi-Tawi.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mga prayer pa.
Every 3 o'clock, they actually have a prayer going. Interesting. The history is so rich here. Must visit destination ba dito sa
Yes,
diba?
kasi-
Yung Yakan Village.
Yakan Village. Pinapakita talaga ng mga kasi parang one of the tourist spot ng Zamboanga City ang Yakan Village. Kasi kung gusto mo bumili ng mga pasalubong, souvenirs, so ito ang inaano ng mga tao ng taga Zamboanga na puntahan.
And then yung Yakan Village, taga saan sila? Ulit?
Originally from Basilan yan sila. 1975 pumunta sila at na-establish itong Yakan Village. Dito. So more than 300 plus individuals, 60 families.
Oh, wow.
Ang kagwapo ng mga Yakan.
Interesting. Thank you for that. I can only imagine how long it takes to make one piece, you know? Like, look at the details. It's so intricate. And if I would do that, that'll probably take me like 2 years to make one bag, man. Ganda. Tanggal chinelas. Ang init. Ah, so this is pala where they do the weaving. Ay. Oh, wow. Ate said that we'll be watching the weaving process. She said so that we don't have to come back.
Bro, it was really difficult.
Yeah,
no?
look
Like,
at
with
that.
The pattern and
Yeah,
all.
the pattern look, and it's so calculated.
yeah,
It's like
that's
so
cool.
symmetric.
Yeah. This one, how would you
Yeah,
like to do
look at
it?
that.
Like this one.
Yeah, that's so symmetrical. Like, how did they do that?
Science.
They really do it like per strand. All right, let's watch the process.
Very manual talaga siya, no?
Yeah, super manual. Oh wow, you have to like put it around then. Oh wow.
Ano yung natapos, no?
Oh wow.
Ito na yung finished product.
Oh, so it's like,
Ganito po yun.
you know. So that's the finished product daw.
Oo,
Dito.
yun yung pag matapos.
Pag yung hindi pa siya tapos, ganito yun siya. Parang
Wow. What the? It's intense.
dapat paghila nito, yung ano yung nakatali dito, yun lang ang kukunin mo dito. Kasi kung makuha mo yung sa baba, masirap yung ano niya. Bali yung design niya, hindi na sa stripe siya. Dapat pa ganun. Yung sa taas lahat kunin. Kaya dapat yung paa mo nakapush. Saka mo siya lagyan nito. Bali ito talaga yung nagawa ng tela niya.
Parang yan yung nag-guide ng design, no?
Ay ito.
Oh, that's the one that guides the design daw.
Butas nito may dalawang pirasong sinulid lang. So pag magawa, dapat nakaganon-ganon siya para mahigpit. Kahit siya ano hindi na siya matanggal.
Look at that. So, wow, what the?
Ate, yung ganyan, oh, ilang days mo magagawa?
Yeah.
Bali 1 meter niya, mga 4 to 5 days yan.
4 to 5 days for one? Wow.
Dito sa kanila, mabilis na yan. Huwag mo na pag tayo.
Pwede kayo mag-try. Yun naman
Pwede ka mag-try.
Sige, sige.
dapat pumasok ka dito, hindi ka galit. Kasi kung may kaalaban ka, ito yung pamalo.
Ay, hala.
So, Red Mars gonna try.
Ate's gonna let me try it out.
Parang eating.
So sit down first step.
Ito yung bali naghawak sa kanya.
Okay, tapos dito.
Diyan sa kabila.
Bro, don't mess it up.
Dapat itong dalawa sabayan pataas. Kaya kita ganun. Tapos ipasok mo siya dito sa taas. Kaya dapat push ka talaga kasi yung sa taas dapat yung sa taas mo makuha.
Okay, I see. That's why you have
Then,
to.
pwede mo na siyang ibaba ganun.
Ganyan.
Bitawan mo na to siya.
Okay.
Then,
That's
doon
why-
ka. Dapat magkabilaan.
Okay. That's why it'll take me 5 years to do this, girl. Alright, so that's all I know. Tapos, taas to.
Pataas mo sila dalawa. Then patayuin mo siya.
And
Then
then,
ipasok mo yung
and then pasok to dito.
Sa gitna, bro.
ito ba ito.
Ganyan.
Para mapasok siya.
Okay.
Di yan na kulay pasadya po yan.
Ganyan lang po.
Tapos ibaba mo ito.
Tapos baba to.
Oh, no, yan.
Ito?
Sa kayo, ano po.
Ganyan?
Diyan sa'yo. Yan.
Okay.
Tanggalin mo to siya ulit.
Tanggalin ganyan. Tanggalin
Ilabas
talaga.
mo siya. Kasi dapat ito ang ano mo. Dapat ito siya.
There's another.
Tapos ipasok mo yan siya dun sa...
Ito, dito.
Dito.
Ay.
Dapat yung sa taas ng lahat ang kunin.
Bro, may isang string na ano.
Hindi.
Ngayon dapat push yung paa.
Okay.
Ibababa mo kunti ito para maano mo.
Okay. dito.
Ganyan yan, dapat makapasa ka muna dyan. Sige.
It's so hard.
Sige.
Kuha ba lahat?
Okay, walang mali yan.
Walang mali.
Kasi mali, malaman mo yan pag mali, hindi yan siya magano. Okay.
Okay.
Balik mo siya.
Balik.
Ganun
Sige.
mo siya.
Ganyan.
Up mo siya ulit.
Up. And then ganyan, no?
Then balik mo.
Ito mauna. That's why you have to push back talaga, no?
Oo.
Very good.
Huwag isubra kasi masira sa gilid.
Ay, baba to.
Ipahiga siya,
Ay,
ganun.
sige.
Tapos,
Tapos, ganyan.
yan.
Okay. Okay, thank you po. I'm good na. Yeah. So confusing, grabe. Can we see real speed again? How you do it? Thank you. That was actually so hard. It's a lot of work. Oh, look how fast ate is. Then dito. Wow, that speed. Oh, grabe. Bilis ni ate. What the? It's actually harder than it looks. Whoa, what the? That's so fast. Speed ni ate, ang galing. Galing talaga ni ate. Jeez. Look at that. She just slipped through that, you know. Thank you for showing us that. Salamat. Thank you so much. Dang, that's a master at their work, you know. Probably put in like 10,000 hours into that craft. She was so fast, and to me, I was so struggling just to even make one. What do you think, Migs?
It's amazing.
No, diba? They're so good, no? You want to do it?
I'm confused.
Bye, Dad. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Wow, as a drummerist. I love the culture here, it's so cool. Oh yeah, I forgot where we ate at the Turkish place. We spent 309 each, so subtract that to the budget here, okay? For me, it doesn't matter what you do, but the fact that people can spend tens and thousands of hours in one craft, that is the amazing part. Like that dedication, consistency. I just admire people who just go in on their craft. Saan tayo next?
Downtown yata.
Yeah, downtown.
Downtown? Downtown? Sige, tara.
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 Let's go.
Alright.
Plaza del Pilar na nandito tayo ngayon. Before yan, marami mga tenant ngayon dahil sa pandemic. Marami ang na bankrupt. Fourth Pilar Shrine.
Oh, sige, we're
So
going for
ipapakilala
Pilar
natin
Shrine.
kay RJ.
Ooh,
Ipakita
sige.
natin ang traditional na mga
Yes.
Kristiyano and Muslim dito. Kasi dito, not only Christian pumunta din dito ang mga Muslim.
I'm Muslim then, so we'll check it out. We'll see how that looks. Everyone's okay pa? Okay pa? Laban pa?
Let's go and pray.
Oy! Actually, I think you can feed the mga pigeons dito. Tindahans everywhere, which is near the church. But yeah, this is the center daw.
Ang dami ngayong pamilya. Kasi Sunday.
Ay, Sunday no?
Church day. Daming kasing tao.
It's already 4:13 p.m. 2, 3, go!
Sa may museum, dyan yung parang fortress ng mga sundalo. At the same time, dito yung patron saint namin, ang Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar. Mga Muslims din naniniwala kay Nuestra Señora del Pilar kasi nga during that time na may tidal wave, na witness nila yung milagrosa ng tidal wave, parang sinangga niya. Yun ang kwento dito. That's why nakita nila yung image.
Okay.
Nagpakita daw. Kasi ano to dito, place ng mga Muslim.
Dito?
So ito dito, Santa Barbara, Muslim yan. Ano yan dyan? Reyondo, mga Muslim din. Hindi siya napapalibutan ng mga Christian. Mga Muslim napapalibot dito sa Fourth Pilar Shrine. Kaya that's why sila ang naka-witness ng pagmilagro ng Nuestra Señora del Pilar. So yun yung story.
Señora de Pilar is a woman?
Nuestra Señora, yes. Si Mama Mary.
Mama Mary. What do you think, Meg? So people attend church dito. For Muslim.
May mass dito.
Ang daming tao dito. This is where you pray, you make a wish. Everyone's lighting up candles. There's a prayer too before lighting up the candles.
What are you
Philippines is really, what am I wishing for? Good health.
Oh, you can't wish without the candles.
Allah, I need a
Are you
candle
like-
to wish for good health.
Which color of candle would you wish for? Like the loved one, the pink one.
I'm in love with no one.
Coco.
I'm in love with the coco.
I'm in love with the
Oh wait, so each candle has a different color? Oh wow. And the
may
candles?
iba-ibang meaning yan siya. Like, ang pink is for love, ang green for money. Pero yung black for hidden agenda.
May hidden agenda ka, bro.
Black is for black propaganda.
I don't have hidden agenda. Saan makabili ng candles? Sa labas. Sige, tara, let's go.
Naniniwala kami dito sa Zamboanga. Pag may wish ka or may something ka, may itik na board exam, maglalagay ka ng pencil dyan, then kukunin mo lang. Parang ipa-bless mo, parang gano'n yung tradition dito.
Alright, yeah, so we're just in line to see the line for the cross, or like what Ata said, people usually bless their things here. Super religious yung mga tao dito, which is good. Yes, it's the pencil you're talking about.
Parang paniniwala namin yan. Mag-iiwan ka, then mga ilang days, babalik ka, kunin mo yung pencil.
Okay.
A few minutes later.
Welcome sa Paseo del Mar ng Zamboanga City.
Wow.
Yan yung place ng mga skateboarders.
Okay. There's a skateboarding spot down there.
No, ang ganda-ganda niya.
Yeah, super nice. It's by the beach lang din.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
it's a nice
later,
park area.
may makikita ka mga sama. So magtatapon ka mga piso-piso. Then mag-dive sila.
Yung Bajaw.
Yes. At saka si vlogger din, si RJ, mamay magda-dive.
Grabe. Yeah, look, it's a playground here now. It's super open space.
Meron yung fountain before.
It's very aesthetic. Yeah, it's a nice place. It's pretty clean too. There's a lot of kainan. Paseo de Mar.
Really nice yung view, kaso may amoy yung hangin.
Pagkain man yung amoy, di ba? Sure ba? Really?
O kanina doon.
Kanina. What do you think, Kimbali? Okay, dito man na tayo. What are we trying next?
Knickerbocker.
What's that?
It's a high-level halo-halo.
High level. It's from Zamboanga.
Yes, Zamboanga.
What
Made
Zamboanga?
from Zamboanga City by Palmeras. Napakasarap niya.
Okay,
You should try.
You'll do it?
Mag-dive!
Sige. Kuya, pambili ng bigas.
Oy. Wow. Oh, whoa. Where'd he go? Wow, he got it.
Best swimmer in the Philippines, mga badya. Kasi nahahabol nila yung pera.
Okay. One of the best hangout spots dito sa Zamboanga. Just a nice place to chill with the family, friends, the squad. Did not expect Zamboanga to have all of this then. And that's the best when you least expect it, like Bohol. Wow, so this is what Zamboanga is known for, the knickerbocker. Yeah, so it's halo-halo without ice.
Without ice.
Yeah, everyone try it. Just basically ice cream and fruits and stuff. This is why I traveled to try new things. Try it. Sweet. Watermelon. Perfect for hot weather. So masarap. Sarap? Sarap?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
Oh, you like it?
I like the fruits.
So you don't like the ice cream?
No, because my
Too much smoking kasi gab. Knickerbocker is really good. Costs 90 pesos. So subtract that to your budget. Must try dito sa Zamboanga. Alright, let's enjoy this muna.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the second vlog of the Zamboanga series. What do you think of today so far, Mix?
Enjoy, super enjoy.
Yeah, super enjoy. Ikaw, Dan?
Super.
Kim, enjoyed? Ikaw, Gabi, enjoyed today? Here's the final calls for today. I super enjoyed that, and I guess we'll see you in day 3 of the Zamboanga series. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon, and don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button, you know the drill. Alright, I'll see you in the 3rd vlog. Alright, talk to you soon. Peace.